4 million years ago, our ancestors were navigating a world vastly different from the one we know today. Picture this, a landscape dotted with towering trees, sprawling grasslands, and the occasional herd of wild animals. It was a time when survival depended on ingenuity and resourcefulness. Imagine a group of early humans banding together, driven by the need for shelter. They weren't just seeking refuge from the elements, they were creating a home. Using the abundant wood from nearby trees, they crafted wooden shelters. These structures were more than just walls. They were a testament to their creativity and adaptability. Each shelter was a unique blend of practicality and artistry, designed to withstand the harsh weather and provide safety from predators. Now, let's talk about the camels. While camels are often associated with deserts, their ancestors roamed various terrains, including the lush environments of the time. These magnificent creatures were not just beasts of burden, they were vital to the survival of these early humans. Imagine a caravan of 10 camels, loaded with supplies, traversing the landscape. They carried food, tools, and perhaps even the first seeds of agriculture. The bond between humans and camels was crucial, as these animals provided not just transportation but also companionship in a world filled with uncertainty. As our ancestors built their wooden shelters, they were also laying the groundwork for community. These structures became gathering places where stories were shared, knowledge was passed down, and bonds were forged. The warmth of a fire inside a wooden shelter would bring people together, creating a sense of belonging and security. The ingenuity of these early humans is astounding. They learned to use their environment to their advantage, crafting tools from stone and wood, hunting and gathering with precision. They developed techniques for preserving food, ensuring they could survive through harsh winters. Each day was a lesson in resilience, as they adapted to the challenges of their surroundings. The wooden shelters were not just homes, they were symbols of progress. They marked a shift from a nomadic lifestyle to one that embraced settlement. This transition allowed for the development of more complex societies. As these communities grew, so did their knowledge and skills. They began to cultivate the land, planting crops and domesticating animals, paving the way for agriculture. 4 million years ago, the world was a canvas, and our ancestors were the artists. They painted their lives with the strokes of survival, creativity, and collaboration. The wooden shelters and the camels were not merely elements of their existence. They were integral to the story of humanity. Each shelter stood as a monument to their determination, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, we can create a place to call home. In reflecting on this era, we see the roots of our own civilization. The lessons learned from those early days continue to resonate today. The spirit of innovation, the importance of community, and the bond between humans and animals are threads that weave through the fabric of our history. As we look back, we honor